Welcome to the 8 Gold Earthquake Smackdown. Let's get ready to rumble! Our first match today is between the Quaker Shakers and Shakin' Quake. Now let's get to the starting lineups. On offense for Quaker Shakers, we have...
I'm Casey Sullivan. I go to Duke. Kathy Villasana, University of Pennsylvania.
Sakai, MIT.
Chris Briggs, Burncoat High School.
And on defense for Shakin' Quake, we have...
Deep Front Ensemble, Brigham University.
Okay. Sam Moon, UCLA. Kristen Sally.
Harvard. Bill Smith, Harvard University.
Hi, my name is Blake Shepard.
In our second matchup, let's show some love for Amor, who is sure to get a cold reception from Icebreakers. On offense for Amor, we have...
Jeff Batt, Cornell University.
Shannon Wynn, Ohio State. Banana Pluto, Boston College.
Anthony Morva, Florida State.
And on defense for the Icebreakers, we have...
Jimmy Miles, Mass Amherst.
Lindsay Donovan, Regent Community College. Nicolette Victor, Ohio State. Jonah Runners, Princeton University. Brooke Shays, Princeton University.
If both groups in the bracket, last 30 seconds, you then go to the scissors. You're allowed to sort of break one beam on the structure. All right. You will then, after that, we're going to be going to 10-second rounds. If they both falter on the same round, it's going to be whichever one had the lowest weight to height ratio. So in that situation, Shakin' Quake will win, and then the Icebreakers will win. 2, 1, go! Moore's the winner. If it loses, right, these two technically tied, and since these guys have the lower, I think they'll be the winner.